Hi, and welcome back to our how-to series on the iC-R helmet. Today, we're going to be walking through how to connect your iC-R helmet to the iC-Rider app. Before you start the connection between your iC-Rider app and your iC-R helmet, you want to make sure that your phone has Bluetooth on and is discoverable. Next, you're going to open up your iC-R app and make sure your iC-R helmet is on. On the home page of the iC-Rider app, you're going to select the HUD option. Once you open that, it should automatically start searching for any nearby devices. Your iC-R helmet should come up as iC-R followed by a string of numbers. Once your iC-R helmet is recognized, you can select it off of the list to start the pairing process. Once the app is connected to your iC-R helmet, you should be able to view it in the connections portion of your iC-Rider app. Ideally, this should be the only time that you have to go through a pairing process between your phone and your iC-R helmet. In certain circumstances, the app can only establish a data connection between the phone and the HUD. In those situations, please go to your settings and scroll down to your Bluetooth connections and make sure that you have an audio connection established with your iC-R helmet. And that's it. Please check out the rest of the how-to series on our YouTube channel for the iC-R helmet to check out all the rest of the tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next one.